Okay, linear inequalities. This page that I wrote out for you guys, I'll scan it and put it as a PDF on the group as well. But I'm going to go through everything that I said over here. In grade 10, we only deal with linear inequalities. Next year, you're going to learn quadratic inequalities, okay? Now, with a linear inequality, you treat it the same way that you would for a linear equation, okay? So whatever you see, like these examples, just treat that there as an equal to sign. So same thing where you take it over, all those rules apply, okay? If you have a coefficient, you divide everything by it, okay? Same rules apply. The only additional rule, if you multiply or divide by a negative number anywhere, then you change the direction of the inequality sign. So if it was greater than, it becomes less than. If it was less than, it becomes greater than. I also just summarize the wording for each one of them. If it's this direction, it means greater than. If it is like this with a line underneath, it means greater than and equal to. If it has that direction, it means less than. And if it has that direction with a line underneath, less than and equal to. You might get some that are like this between two numbers. This here means x is between a and b. Okay, so x greater than a, but less than b. Okay, I wrote it out here for you. X greater than and equal to a, but less than and equal to b. Let's go through the examples. Like I said, treat it like a linear equation. So we're just taking this over, giving me x greater than 5 minus 2. X greater than 5 minus 2 is 3. That's our answer. That is literally it. Okay? So this one over here, negative x is then equal to 2. I'm taking this over, plus 5, giving me negative x less than equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. But there's a negative sign in front of that one. So divide both sides by negative, giving me this side here with negative 7. This sign here changes direction. Okay. All right. Okay, sorry. Then this one over here, take this 3 over. 2x greater than equal to 9 minus 3. 2x greater than equal to 9 minus 3 gives me 6. I'm dividing both sides by the 2. 2, 3. Okay. This one over here, I just showed you that with fractions or decimals, same thing applies. I'm first going to take the negative 4 over. Okay, minus 9 plus 4 gives me negative 5. Multiply both sides by negative 0, 5. My brain seems to be sleeping, so I'm multiplying it on the calculator. Negative 5 times negative 0.5. Okay, we totally knew this. My brain was just sleeping. So x, okay, this here should be 5 over 2. Remember, we multiplied with a negative, so this must just change direction. Okay. If you get the one where there's two parts to it, you have to take this 2 to this side and to this side. So it would be 10 minus 2 on this side, and this side 14 minus 2. And the x is left in between with the same signs. X is 14 minus 2 is 12. 10 minus 2 gives me 8. And that's my answer. Okay, if I give it to you like this, first we're going to multiply both of them by the 5. Negative 10 times 5 is negative 50. Okay, this here is going to be 2x plus 2. That's 14 times 5. 70. Okay, then we're going to take the 2 over to both sides. So negative 5 and 50 minus 2. 70 minus 2. Negative 50 minus 2 is negative 52. 70 minus 2 is, what's this, 68. Okay, we're dividing both sides by the 2. 52 divided by 2 is 26. So negative 26. And 68 divided by 2 is 34. And that's our answer. If we divided by negatives anywhere, don't forget you just change your sign. And that is it. I just wanna, this is unrelated. Okay, it's related to it, but it's not under inequalities. I just want to show you how it would look like on a number line. If it says x greater than 3, it means, so I'm going to assume for all of these are real numbers, okay? Greater than 3, there's my 3, open dot because it's not included, all the numbers that way. Okay, I'm assuming they're all real numbers. This one over here, it says -7. This time it's included because it has the line underneath. All those numbers that way. Okay, this one here says greater than 3, included, like that. Okay, this one here says less than 5/2, not included, that way. This one here says between 8 and 12, both not included, 8, 12. Okay, and the last one says between -26 and 34. 34 is included, 26 is not included. And that's what it would look like on the number line if you wanted to do it, okay? And we're done.